another, in this video actually. So this comes with the smoker's pack. This is the ashtray that you get, which is, you know, I mean, somebody made it fit nicely in the cup holder. It's pretty cool. I figured it should come with a cigarette lighter at least, which is kind of what I was hoping for. I wanted the lighter to have in the car for who knows what, lighting off firecrackers. And I didn't think it had one, so I was kind of dissing on it. And then I looked down in here, and lo and behold, cigarette lighter. So there's actually proper way to light a cigar or a cigarette or whatever right down in there. So you all need one for $85. You got to have it. And then this guy, yes, is lockable. Right there, the key and the keys are in there. So this locks is great. It's not the lockable storage option that is on the website. That I think is what's inside the tire on the back, which I don't have. Which if I had known better what it was or had paid attention, I might have got, because I thought that was kind of neat to have a little thing out there you could put your muddy shoes in or whatever. So anyway, update.